Hello everyone, this is Stefan. Welcome back for another video. So Apple just released another software update, which is very important, I think, for many people. Many people had some issues and problems. So this is the iPhone XR from 2018. So let me know in the comments down below if you're still using this iPhone in 2022. So all the supported devices for this update are from iPhone 6s all the way to the iPhone 13, 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. If you don't see the software update, go to General About and check for software updates. So the software update was not very big actually, which I was surprised. It's around 200 megabytes, which is interesting to see because on an iPhone SE first generation the software update was around 1 gigabyte, which is quite interesting to see on a smaller device like this. But yeah, it varies on different devices. As you can see, 1 gigabyte, and here we have like 200 megabytes. But yeah, check for software updates. So this is the iOS 15.3.1. This software update fixes some issues and problems with some users, with a display, with a Wi-Fi, 5G. So let me know in the comments down below if you had any issues, any problems with your iPhone. But iPhone XR in 2022 still works amazing. This is still fast, running the latest version of the iOS, and we are very close to the iOS 15.4. I think this is the most important iOS for many people, and the reason for that is that for the first time we're going to be able to use this iPhone with a mask. Yes, with the mask. So that's why this update is very important. So I can't wait to see that. So make sure to subscribe, like, and turn your bell notifications to see the update when is coming. I believe we're gonna have this update probably the beginning of the next month, but we'll see. So iPhone XR from 2018 still works fine. Let me know in the comments down below if you had any issues with the display, with the Wi-Fi, and any problems overall. Many people was complaining that they had some issues with the display on an iPhone 13, 13 Pro, but I didn't have any issues. My device was working fine. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below. This is just a quick update about this iOS 15.3.1, and let me know in the comments down below if you had any problems, any issues. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.